Let's take a look at the overall dashboard. You can navigate to it via the left side navigation on Home. Here you generally have access to a whole variety of help videos, as well as further detail on which ones potentially need to be reconnected soon. And there's also a quick navigation to go ahead and create posts. Note that from here, you generally always navigate throughout the entirety of VirtusNova. On the bottom right, you'll be able to identify how many steps you still have left before you're fully onboarded. Whereas from the top right, we will be able to navigate to all our profiles and settings, including profile, membership, notifications, social profiles, integrations, feedback, and then of course the logout button. Note that from the top navigation menu, you will be able to navigate between the brands which you have already configured, as well as jump straight into the post creation flow, either being a guided post or alternatively the manual caption mode.